What if the real fountain of youth wasn't in a cream or a clinic, but in your kitchen? While millions are spending fortunes on Botox and facelifts, the truth is your body already has everything it needs to rebuild youthful glowing skin from the inside out. And it all starts with one simple molecule, collagen. Today I'll show you how to unlock your skin's natural youth elixir. No injections, no surgery, no nonsense. The global cosmetic surgery market is worth over $50 billion, yet most people don't realize that surgical procedures only address surface-level concerns. They're like putting a band-aid on a leaky pipe instead of fixing the actual plumbing. Your skin's foundation, collagen, needs to be rebuilt from within, not just stretched or filled from the outside. Subscribe to the channel so we can benefit you by creating more great content with you in mind, and as a thank you, download your free guide from the link in the description below. Here's what's happening inside your body right now. Starting around age 25, you lose about 1% of your collagen production every single year. By the time you hit 50, you've lost nearly a quarter of your body's collagen. This isn't just about wrinkles. We're talking about joint pain, weakened blood vessels, and a cascade of aging effects that no amount of Botox can truly fix. The beauty industry doesn't want you to know this, but your body already has the blueprint to create perfect, youthful collagen. You just need to give it the right raw materials. Think of it like building a house. You can have the best architect in the world, but without quality bricks, wood and concrete, that house is going to crumble. Let's start with our number 5 collagen champion, bone broth. Now I know what you're thinking. Bone broth sounds like something your grandmother would force you to drink when you were sick. But here's the incredible science behind it. When you simmer animal bones for 12 to 24 hours, you're literally extracting the collagen, amino acids and minerals that your body recognizes as building blocks. The magic happens because bone broth contains glycine, proline and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acids your body uses to manufacture its own collagen. It's like giving your cellular factories the perfect ingredients to work with. Unlike collagen supplements that have to survive your digestive system, bone broth provides these nutrients in a form your body can immediately utilize. Studies have shown that people who consume bone broth regularly see improvements in skin elasticity within just 8 weeks. Compare that to surgical facelifts, which require months of recovery time, carry serious risks like nerve damage or infection, and only last 5 to 10 years before needing touch-ups. Moving to number 4, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines. These underwater warriors are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, but here's what most people miss. They also contain astaxanthin, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. This compound doesn't just protect existing collagen from breaking down, it actually stimulates your fibroblasts to produce more collagen. The zinc content in fatty fish is particularly crucial. Zinc acts like a construction foreman in your body, coordinating the collagen production process. Without adequate zinc, your body simply cannot synthesize collagen efficiently, no matter how many other nutrients you consume. Here's where it gets really interesting. The marine collagen peptides found in fish are smaller and more bioavailable than mammalian collagen. This means they can cross the intestinal barrier more easily and actually reach the skin cells where they're needed most. Surgical procedures can't deliver nutrients directly to your cells. They can only manipulate what's already there. Our third collagen superstar might surprise you: citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits and limes are absolutely essential for collagen production because they're loaded with vitamin C. But here's the kicker: your body cannot produce collagen without vitamin C. It's not optional, it's mandatory. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in the enzymatic reactions that create collagen fibers. Without it, your body produces defective collagen that breaks down quickly. This is why sailors used to get scurvy when they didn't have access to fresh citrus. Their collagen literally fell apart. The bioflavonoids in citrus fruits provide an additional benefit by protecting existing collagen from free radical damage. Think of vitamin C as the construction worker and bioflavonoids as the security guards protecting the construction site. Together, they create an environment where healthy collagen can thrive. Compare this to dermal fillers, which cost thousands of dollars and need to be repeated every 6 to 18 months. Citrus fruits cost pennies per serving and provide lasting benefits by actually improving your body's collagen production capacity. Number 2 on our list, leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale and collard greens. These nutritional powerhouses contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in the skin. But the real magic is in their vitamin A content, specifically in the form of beta-carotene. Vitamin A helps regulate collagen production and prevents the breakdown of existing collagen fibers. It also speeds up cell turnover, which means your skin can repair itself more quickly and efficiently. The antioxidants in leafy greens create a protective shield around your collagen molecules, preventing them from being damaged by environmental toxins and UV radiation. Here's something fascinating. The lutein and zeaxanthin in leafy greens don't just protect your eyes, they also accumulate in your skin and provide protection against photoaging. This means you're getting built-in sun protection while boosting collagen production. Surgical procedures like chemical peels or laser treatments try to achieve similar results by forcing rapid cell turnover, but they often damage healthy tissue in the process. Leafy greens provide the same benefits naturally, without any risk of scarring or hyperpigmentation. And now for our number 1 collagen-boosting food, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries and blackberries are like tiny antioxidant bombs that protect and promote collagen synthesis. They contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that stabilize collagen fibers and prevent them from breaking down. The vitamin C content in berries is often higher than citrus fruits, and they provide it in a more sustained release format because of their fiber content. This means your body gets a steady supply of collagen-building nutrients throughout the day, rather than a single spike. But here's the most incredible part. Berries contain ellagic acid, which has been shown to prevent collagen breakdown caused by UV damage. This means you're not just building new collagen, you're protecting the collagen you already have from one of its biggest enemies, sun exposure. The polyphenols in berries also improve circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells. Better circulation equals better collagen production and healthier, more vibrant skin. Now let's talk about why this natural approach completely destroys invasive procedures. First, surgery only addresses symptoms, not causes. When you get a facelift, you're stretching existing damaged skin. When you eat collagen-boosting foods, you're actually creating new, healthy tissue from the inside out. Second, surgical procedures come with serious risks. Infections, scarring, nerve damage, and even death are possible complications. The foods we've discussed have zero negative side effects when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Third, the cost difference is staggering. A single cosmetic procedure can cost anywhere from $500 to $50,000. These 5 foods can be incorporated into your daily diet for less than $20 per week. Fourth, surgical results are temporary. Even the best procedures need to be repeated or touched up over time. When you build collagen naturally through nutrition, you're creating lasting changes at the cellular level. Here's your action plan. Start incorporating bone broth into your routine 3 times per week. Add fatty fish to your meals twice weekly. Include citrus fruits in your daily diet, whether as whole fruits or fresh squeezed juices. Make leafy greens a staple in your salads and smoothies. And finish every day with a handful of mixed berries. The transformation won't happen overnight, but within 60 to 90 days, you'll notice improvements in skin texture, elasticity, and overall radiance. Your joints will feel better, your hair will be stronger, and your nails will grow faster and healthier. Remember, your body wants to be young and healthy. It has all the mechanisms in place to maintain beautiful, youthful skin. You just need to provide the right fuel and get out of your own way. These 5 foods aren't just alternatives to surgery, they're upgrades to your entire biological system. Stop looking for quick fixes and start building lasting health from the foundation up. Your future self will thank you for choosing the natural path to ageless beauty.